Hey there, TikTok enthusiasts. Today, I've got a quick and easy tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to disable restricted mode on TikTok. Let's dive into it. First things first. Open up the TikTok app on your device. Once you're in, look for the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Give that a tap. Perfect. Now, on your TikTok profile, you'll see 3 lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on those lines. Great. Now, scroll down and find Settings and Privacy. Give that a tap. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy menu, look for Content Preferences and tap on it. Now, here's the key moment. If you take a look, you'll see that the restricted mode is currently on. To disable it, simply tap on the restricted mode. Now, to turn it off, tap on Turn Off. You might be prompted to enter the passcode you created when you enabled the restricted mode. Go ahead, type it in, and then tap Next. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the restricted mode on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.